Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive.
Today we are looking at this pretty cool device. It's called the Carlinkit AI Box.
And we got this document here called the .pdf
Right?
with some information on it.
Should be pretty interesting.
Yeah, I think this is a really neat device. I think it's going to change the way we think about
Entertainment in our cars
Yeah.
and connectivity in our cars too.
So basically what this does is it takes your wired CarPlay system
Okay.
and makes it wireless.
Very cool.
No more tangled cables.
Right, because who wants to deal with cables anymore?
Yeah, exactly.
Especially in the car when you're trying to, focus on driving.
Keep your eyes on the road.
Yeah, it says here it works with iPhones.
From the 6 series onward,
Oh, wow.
all the way up to iOS 18.
So that's pretty much everybody.
Pretty much, yeah.
Like almost every iPhone user can use this.
So it's compatible with a lot of phones.
But here's where it gets really interesting.
Okay.
This box can turn your car's screen into like a full-on entertainment center. Yeah, you can watch Netflix, YouTube,
Oh, wow.
all that stuff.
So you're stuck in traffic, you can just put on a movie.
That's pretty amazing.
Now, it mentions jailbreaking in the document.
Oh, yeah.
And to be honest, I don't really know.
What that means or what that's all about?
So jailbreaking is basically when you modify your iPhone
Okay.
to do things that Apple doesn't want you to do.
Like install apps they don't approve of?
So do I have to jailbreak my phone to use this device?
Oh, no.
Okay,
You
good.
don't have to jailbreak.
Because that sounds a little scary.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Yeah.
It can void your warranty.
It also has this split screen feature.
So you can like have the navigation up
Oh, wow.
and like YouTube on the other side.
That is so cool.
And you can still see where you're going.
But you can also watch something.
Yeah, because I hate having to switch back and forth between apps.
This is much better.
So I'm guessing this probably doesn't work.
With every car out there, right?
Right.
What kind of cars are we talking about here?
It looks like it works with cars from 2017 to 2024.
Right.
As long as they have OEM wired CarPlay.
And a touchscreen.
Okay, so as long as you've got like the factory CarPlay,
In a touchscreen, you should be good.
exactly, you should be good to go.
It also says that it connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
And it connects really fast.
That's what I like to hear.
No lag or anything.
It just works.
Yeah, nice and smooth.
So to sum all this up,
The Carlinkit AI Box gives you wireless CarPlay. It turns your car into like a mobile entertainment hub,
it's got the split screen multitasking.
and it connects super smoothly.
This is game changer.
I mean, it really makes you think about what the future.
It's gonna be like.
Yeah, I mean,
Will our cars just become big iPhones on wheels?
who knows?
That's something for our listeners to think about.
Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive.
And make sure to check out the Carlinkit AI Box.
If you're interested,
It's definitely worth a look.
expert speaker.